Welcome to this tutorial on how to find, highlight and check duplicates in Google Sheets. Finding duplicates is an essential task in data management as it helps to identify and remove redundant information. To begin with, open your Google Sheet and select the range of cells you want to check for duplicates. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells. Next, go to the menu and select Format. Then Conditional Formatting. A new panel will appear on the right side of your screen. In this panel, select the Format cells if drop-down and choose Custom Formula is. In the formula bar, type =COUNTIF and then select the range of cells you want to check for duplicates, followed by a comma and then the cell reference of the first cell in the range. For example, if you want to check for duplicates in column A, the formula would be =COUNTIF AA1 and then greater than 1. Click Done and Google Sheets will highlight all the cells in your selected range that have duplicates. You can also change the formatting style to your preference by selecting the formatting options below the formula bar. Another way to find duplicates is by using the Remove Duplicates feature. To do this, select the range of cells you want to check for duplicates. Go to the Data menu and select Remove Duplicates. A new panel will appear where you can select the columns you want to check for duplicates. You can also use the filter function to find duplicates. To do this, select the range of cells you want to check for duplicates. Go to the Data menu and select Create a Filter. Then, in the filter options, select Custom Filter and choose Count and then greater than 1. Lastly, you can use the Query function to find duplicates. To do this, go to the Tools menu and select Query. Then, in the Query Editor, type Select and then the column you want to check for duplicates, followed by from your sheet name, where Count and then the column name and then greater than 1. By following these steps and using these methods, you can easily find, highlight, and check duplicates in Google Sheets. Remember to always double-check your data for accuracy and to use these methods in conjunction with other data management techniques to ensure the integrity of your data.